Hello and namaste friends, another episode of App Seeker. I am your host Aditya and let's get the video going. So that for today's video we are going to see the part 2 for the best hidden features of our Honor 8X. We have already made the part 1 and the video is live on my channel. You can go and check it. So let's get started. So our first hidden feature is raise to ear. As the name says it all, this feature is in the Smart Assistant and into the motion control. Here is the feature raise to ear. Raise to ear allows you to directly pick up the calls by just raising the phone to your ear. This is as simple as that. By default these options are turned off, so make sure you turn them on. Let's go to the next feature. So the next hidden feature is screenshot. Usually for any phones we need to use these two buttons, that is volume down and power button, to take a screenshot. I'll show you. But this is very hefty to use. So for Honor devices we have another option, that is 3-finger gesture to take a screenshot. It is as simple as that. So where should you turn this on? Go into the Smart Assistant for this time also, and into motion controls. Here you will find 3-finger screenshot and turn it on. It is as simple as that. Let's go to the third feature. The third and the fourth feature are based on the camera. So let's get to the I'll open the camera now and I'll go into the video section here. Then hit on the settings button and go into the video size. After going to the video size, here you will find two options, that is efficiency and compatibility. Usually the compatibility section is turned on by default, but use the efficiency codec, that is codec H265. This is the video codec, uses very less storage for videos. Usually for compatibility you will require up to 200 MB of video size for 1 minute video, but in efficiency mode you will just require 60 to 70 MB size, and this is thus very useful. So our fourth hidden feature is also in camera. Go into the photos section and then hit on the settings button. By going to settings, here you will find audio controls. Turn on the audio controls. This feature will let you take photos just by saying the word cheese. This is very useful while taking the selfies. So this was the fourth hidden feature, guys, and the last hidden feature is very important and I'm sure no one would have told you about this. This feature is for hiding apps. Yes, the Honor 8X has built-in hiding apps facility, but no one knows it. So where is it? This is very simple. Just pinch out and here you will find hidden apps section. Here you can hide apps as whatever you like. So this was the feature, guys. I'll show you again. Just pinch out and the hidden app section pops up. So this was the last hidden feature, and thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos and hit like button and continue watching. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.